Good morning, class. So today we will discuss multiplication of rational expression. So it is defined as A over B times C over D is equal to A times C is AC and B times D is BD, wherein B and D must not be equal to 0. So let's have an example. Number 1. 5x over 4 times 12 over 20x. So it is equal to, okay, we will just copy 5x over, copy 4, and then times, okay, 12 can be factored as 4 times 3. And then 20x can be factored as 5x times 4. And then we can cancel common factor. So ano yung common factor natin dito? So we have 5x. So we can cancel this. Another factor. Okay? So we have common factor 4. And then the remaining factor in the numerator is 3. And then the remaining factor in the denominator is 4. So our answer is 3 over 4. Example number 2. 2x over x plus 1 times the quantity x squared plus 2x plus 1 over 5x. So 2x can be factored as 2 times x. And then we can copy x plus 1. Then times, okay? So x squared plus 2x plus 1 is a trinomial. So we can factor that as 2 binomial. So first, kuhanin natin ang square root ng x squared. So that is x. And then to get the second term of this binomial, mag-isip ng number pag minultiply ay 1. Pag inad ay 2. So, anong number yon? Okay, correct. So, that is positive 1 and positive 1. So, check natin. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And then, divided by, okay, 5x can be written or can be factored as 5 times x. Then, we can now cancel common factor. So, kailangan pag nagka-cancel tayo, isa sa numerator, isa sa denominator. So, we can cancel x here. We can cancel x plus 1. And then, what are the remaining factors in the numerator? So, that is 2 times, okay, we have there x plus 1 over the remaining factor in the denominator is 5. So the answer is 2 times the quantity x plus 1 all over 5. Example number 3. So x plus 4 over x squared minus 4 times x squared plus 4x plus 4 all over x squared plus 6x plus 8. So, we have here x plus 4, copy lang natin. All over x squared minus 4 is difference of 2 squared. So, we can factor that as sum and difference of the square root of these two terms. So, what's the square root of x squared? So, we have x. Square root of 4. So, that is 2. And then times. Okay. So, we can now factor this one. So, x squared plus 4x plus 4 can be factored as 2 binomial. And then, the square root of x squared is x. Square root, think of a number when you multiply the number by, the product is 4 and the sum is 4 also. So that is 2 and 2. So we can have here plus 2 and plus 2. And then the denominator, so square root of x squared, x. And then think of two number, pag binultiply 8, pag inad 6. So what is that number? Correct. So that is 4 and 2. Positive 4 and positive 2. So now, we can cancel common factor. So dito sa taas, x plus 4. Sa baba, pwede natin itong i-cancel, x plus 2. And another, we have here, x plus 2. So ano pong natira sa taas? So, automatic, this is equal to 1. 1. 1. Okay? X plus 4 divided x plus 4 is 1. So, that's why ang taas ay 1. Okay? So, our answer here is 1 all over. So, ano natirang factor sa ilalim or sa denominator? So, that is x minus 2. So, our answer is this one. How about division of rational expression? So, it is defined as a over b divided by c over d is equal to, okay, so we will just copy the dividend a over b. So, ito po yon. And then from division, so it would become multiplication. Okay? Once you change division to multiplication, you will get the reciprocal of the divisor. So, c over d would become d over c. So, it is equal to, so a times d is ad, and then b times c is bc. Wherein, b, d, and c must not be equal to 0. So, let's have an example. 3 over x divided by 5 over x squared. So, we will copy 3 over x. And then, from division, so we will change the operation to multiplication. But this time, we will get the reciprocal of the divisor. So, 5 over x squared would become x squared over 5. Next step, so we can copy 3 over x times, so x squared can be factored as x times x over 5. And then cancel common factor, so we can cancel x here. And then the remaining factor in the numerator is 3 and x. So 3 times x is 3x over the remaining factor in the denominator is 5. So our answer, 3x over 5.